Are you looking for a large, luxurious vehicle for your family?
Look no further. We've pulled up the 2024 Lincoln Navigator Black Label.
This thing has a ton of features, so let's see how many we can get through. Let's check out this power tailgate.
The trunk comes with an extra foot of space because it's the L edition.
With the click of a button, you can put down the third and the second row.
And if you even need more space after that, you have some in your trunk here and up on the sides.
The third row is extremely comfortable. You have the option to recline your seats, as well as there's chargers everywhere.
These captain chairs come with heated seats, rear climate control, and charging ports. And the best part is, I'm getting a massage while telling you all about it.
Another cool feature, if you have a lot of people in the car, by flipping this down, we can see them all. This vehicle has cameras everywhere, from the back to the front, as well as 360.
So you can see who's waving at you. Well guys, that is one luxurious vehicle and we didn't even get through all the features.
If you have any questions, leave a comment down below or visit us at smelllincoln.com or visit us at our new building off Route 30 in Greensburg.
Bye.